Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you not to fix repost not showing on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making method. Okay, how you not to fix repost not showing on TikTok. First of all, you have to go on the Play Store. Open up your Play Store and right here TikTok update. If you need any TikTok update, then instead of open, there will be update. Update that TikTok. If still you are facing that problem, then check if creator has disabled the repost feature, because some of the creators have to switch off or turn off the repost feature because they doesn't want to repost their videos. Check on that. Here you can see the option of repost is turn on or turn off. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.